Look at that. Gravitas. Shiny. So guys, the holidays are upon us. Thanksgiving here in the States. Christmas is coming. It's really a time to be thankful for family and friends. The end of the year is coming. Thank God. It's time to reflect. And after an interesting year, guys, I'm really super thankful. My health, my family, and my friends, they've all been great. There's been a really cool sense of community through this trying time. And I'm starting to see a light at the end of the tunnel. So let's be hopeful. And with that, I'd like to send a hearty thank you to Dan Naughton from Naughton and Wilson.
Gravitas by Naughton and Wilson.
Dan Naughton, aka Mr. Smelly 1977, for sending me this beautiful cologne to review and try out. Thank you, Dan. Mr. Smelly 1977. If you haven't watched Mr. Smelly's channel, 1977. By the way, that's a great year. 1977. God, I'm old. You got to get over. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check it out. My man knows what he's talking about, and he's making great products. And I want to thank you again, Dan, for sending this to me. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm also going to be doing a shave with the Vikings Blade Emperor Augustus razor, the adjustable razor. Nice hefty razor here, guys. I'm gonna keep it simple and old school, going with King C Gillette's transparent shaving gel, because I'm just gonna do a cleanup here. I've gone 29 days with this beard, guys, for No Shave November, and I'm gonna keep it going. So we'll just be doing a nice touch up. We'll unbox this and we'll test it out. Now, when I looked up on Google, when I looked for the definition of gravitas, a lot of times I like to look at the root of the word, what the word actually means. And the best description in the definition that I love is grandeur. So grandeur, love that word, grandeur. Grandeur for men. Gravitas for Homme. All right, let's unbox it. Now, first off, I love the colors used. I'm a big fan of green. This forest or hunter green, a deep green and gold. Beautiful crest here. Love this, guys. It shines. And even the box smells good. All right. Another thing I love about this is made in England, the mother country. I'll leave a link to the website for Naughton and Wilson as well, so you can check out the product. You can order yours. Again, it's the holidays, guys. Right? Oh, beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Nice golden plaque there with the Naughton and Wilson crest. And you can see me seeing you right in there. It's shiny. Hefty bottle, guys. Beautiful. Let's look at the top. You've got the Naughton and Wilson logo up top, and also wrapped around the collar. You probably can't see that. Hefty. Everything is quality, guys. Oh yeah, very nice, guys. Clean, fresh, like people that are wine connoisseurs, they can tell you every component and every note. I don't wear lots of cologne, but what I can tell you, this has a nice clean, citrusy smell to it, and warmth. Substantial, grandeur. Now again, I'm an average guy, and I don't wear a lot of cologne. But as a bonus, as a value add, I'm going to be taking this top shelf scent to a top shelf guy and get his opinion. And that'll be coming after the shave. So let's get to the shave. So to combine this review with a shave, and I'm thinking back to grandeur, classic and old school. There was one blade in my arsenal. First of all, I had to go double edge. But there was one blade in my collection that was screaming out grandeur. And that is this, guys. This Vikings Blade Emperor Augustus adjustable double-edged razor. just the name itself, grandeur. And what I love about this razor, guys, it's hefty. It's got a long handle, right? Nice knurling here, but the weight and the feel and the quality of it, and also the ability to adjust the aggressiveness of this razor. Today I'm dialing it in right in the middle at 5. You don't want to put hot water on your skin, guys, but you want to get near hot. Hot water will damage your skin, and you don't want that. Another thing about this adjustable razor, guys, if you have an adjustable razor, before you adjust it, you want to open it up. Then you can make the adjustment. Keeping the clasp closed and adjusting it is not good for the mechanisms inside. So I'm set at 5. I'm gonna leave it there. Again, I'm going with this transparent shave gel from King C. Gillette. I love this product, guys. And for beardmen, if you're growing a beard and you are doing some trimming, transparent gel is the way to go. My boy Mark Fuentes from Far, Texas, hooked me up with that. Because you can put it in, you put it on, gives you that barrier of protection, but you can see where you're trimming. And I like this King C. Gillette. The smell is very nice, guys, but very mild. And very fresh, very clean. Another thing about this razor, there are 2 sides to the razor. There's a scallop side and a flat side. So not only do you have adjustments from 1 to 9, but the flat side is milder. It's a milder 5. So let's say it's a 4.5. So you can go intra setting. All right, I'm gonna do 2 quick passes. Again, I'm on a 5 setting, which is right in the middle. And I'm gonna take this right up to that hairline, guys. Can you hear the feedback? I love this razor. It's hefty. Long handle gives you nice reach and control. The heft makes it oh so easy not to push, because you really don't want to push. You want to let the weight of the device do all the work, guys. And you want to approach the face at a 30 to 35 degree angle, guys. Oh, that's nice. Being mindful of my line there. Now, if I wanted to, which I'll do, I'll open this up and I'll go with instead of a 5, I'm gonna drop down to a 2 for the final pass today against the grain. So I'll go with the milder setting for the last pass. I go with a little bit more warm water. And there's enough product on my skin already with just a little bit more warm water. No need to add more. Nice short strokes. You hear that feedback, y'all? Oh, very, very nice and very mild. Now, if I wanted to crank it up and go more super aggressive, I could go up to a 9, but this is nice for my final pass. I'll do my trick, the Adam's apple trick, guys. I have a pronounced Adam's apple, so that gets in the way, obviously, of shaving. Now, a couple of ways to attack this. I've shaved around it, which most of us do. You know, you tug the skin over and you shave down. Or something I saw a while back on YouTube, a gentleman at Executive Shaving showed me this technique. Swallow hard and you hold it, and that eliminates the Adam's apple. So it flattens that area up. Swallow hard and hold it. And that takes the Adam's apple out of play. Ah, nice. Now I'm feeling a little bit of stubble down here, but I'm being very mindful of this line, guys. And I'm not really looking to go for the BBS. My boy Jimmy G would go for it. You can do a little bit of a cleanup, but for every day, this is nice, guys. And the beard is coming in very, very nicely. Okay. So now I'll just rinse off with cold water. That'll close the pores, get me ready for an aftershave or for whatever finishing product I like. Nice cold water. Feels good. I'm gonna pat the beard dry. Today I'm not gonna go with any aftershave because I'm gonna be going with this beautiful scent here. And I didn't have any mishaps. My skin's feeling nice, no irritation, very mild couple of passes, guys. But what I will do before I leave today, I'll put a little scruff softener on. And this by far is one of my favorite products. It's Cremo's Beard and Scruff Softener. I try to use this at least once a day. Goes on, has like the minty fresh smell to it, guys. Take a little bit and apply it to the beard. Especially in the areas where you're prone to some itch around the sensitive bits. This helps to moisturize, condition the beard. It also softens those whiskers. That's just very nice. Again, just a mild fragrance. I don't want to have a competing fragrance with such a top shelf cologne that I'll be putting on today. Last step for the beard, boar's hair brush from Cremo. This is a nice finishing touch. Dual purpose here. First off, it helps evenly distribute the product that you just applied, and it also gives you a finished, fine look. Takes those curly flyaways and gets them right. Again, from Cremo, boar's hair. If you're a beardsman, you gotta have something like this, guys. For the beardsman and you. And it doesn't leave you oily, but it gives you a nice sheen. For the final touch, guys, again, thanks to Dan Norton, this beautiful cologne. Oh yeah. Don't we love the burn? It's got a classic smell to it. Fresh, clean. It has a vintage vibe to it, which I'm loving. But don't let me be the judge of this. I'm about to take this over to a top shelf guy and see what he has to say. All right, guys. So like I said before, average guy, here's the top shelf guy, Greg.
Unfortunately, these days, you don't really find quality products. We become a disposable society, as you know, Tony. Yep. Everything is fast and furious, and use it and dispose of it. And it's nice to see something that's really well constructed and something that lasts. And this is a very nice fragrance. I love the packaging. The weight of the bottle is really nice. It's got a really good shape to it. Nice thick glass. A lot of detail went into the branding of the product. It's on the cap, it's on the label, it's got a really nice high shine gold label. It has a great release, beautiful amount of cologne that's distributed. The essential oils are really very nice. It's got a lemony citrus type. It's definitely on your upscale colognes, something that you would wear dressed in some, more than just going to work. There's all different types of fragrances. Tony, I know that you said you're not a fragrance guy. You certainly could be. Some woodsy, earthy flavors wearing during work days with a pair of jeans, and something like this that really accentuates who you are as a gentleman and makes you a lovely lady standing next to you smile.
So I told the audience before that this product was sent to me. Dan Norton, the creator of this, just wanted to introduce it to a bunch of people to see what we thought. I don't wear cologne every day, and I'm certainly not a top shelf guy, but that, my friend, is for you to have and enjoy, because it's the holidays. I'm thankful of lots of things, family and friends, and Greg, I'm certainly thankful of our relationship. So enjoy that bottle, courtesy of Norton and Wilson.
Well, thank you very much, Tony, and I'm thankful for you and our relationship. And Norton and Wilson and Dan, thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a healthy, safe and healthy are the most important holiday.
All righty, cool. Enjoy that.